Welcome to the Manulife Group Benefits Pharmacy Savings Search. Let's take a look at how this easy-to-use tool can help you save money on prescriptions. After signing into Group Benefits from your desktop, tablet, or smartphone, tap My Benefits to expand the drop-down and select Pharmacy Savings Search. Then define your search. For example, look for the best price for a prescription within 5 kilometers of your current location. Then you'll see a disclaimer about the price estimates. Click Continue. Next, select the patient and enter the prescription drug you're looking for. You'll see different forms of the drug. Choose the prescribed dosage you need and continue. You can search for up to 5 drugs at a time, which is really useful if you're taking several maintenance medications. But let's continue with just one drug. Here are your search results. You can see how much local pharmacies are charging for your medications. Select a pharmacy to see details like the address, distance from your location, and cost. You could explore several pharmacies and compare their prices. The Pharmacy Details page shows you where the pharmacy is located and breaks down the average cost and coverage for each drug on your list. Click on the link to see what your plan will pay and explore lower cost alternatives that can save you even more money. You can also learn more about your coverage by clicking on Drug Coverage to find out how much your plan will pay and how much you will pay. The Pharmacy Savings Search is just one of the ways Manulife makes managing your benefits easy and secure. You can also access the Pharmacy Savings Search through the Manulife mobile app. Just click on the Drug Plan tab and follow the steps.